Are you addicted and have a serious love for pasta? Are you wondering if you can eat pasta and still lose weight? Eating refined pasta is associated with increased risk for heart disease, high blood pressure, insulin resistance, and weight gain. In this video, I am going to share with you 3 different types of pastas that you can eat and lose weight. Hello, I am Rajitha Bommankanti, registered nurse and founder of Healthy You Lifestyle Center. If you want to holistically reclaim your health and develop healthy habits for life, click the red subscription button and the bell icon right now. Are you a number 1 fan of pasta? You never give up an opportunity to eat pasta? The commonly consumed pasta is refined pasta. Refined pasta has high carbs and low fiber. The grain in that pasta during the milling process is stripped of the germ and the bran. Along with that, it's stripped of protein and fiber. So all it is left with is a lot of carbs. High carb intake increases your blood sugar, and also it makes you feel very hungry. As your blood sugar goes up, your hunger rate goes up. So there is a very high risk of you overeating. Additionally, refined pasta has more simple carbs, and the simple carbs digest very fast in your body and makes you hungry throughout the day. That is the reason it's advised to cut down and eat carbs in moderation and increase fiber in your diet. Try alternatives to refined pasta that would increase your fiber intake and your protein. During your next trip to the grocery store, as you're walking down the pasta aisle, look for some healthy pasta options that I'm going to mention to you in this video. Remember, a serving of pasta is still a half a cup. What type of pasta do you regularly eat? Tell me in the comment section below. Pasta is under fire. The pasta that you know and love to eat is on your do not eat list. Luckily, the more heat pasta receives from the critics, the more food manufacturers are getting into making a healthier version of pasta. Let's review 3 pasta alternatives for a healthy option. Number 1, quinoa. Quinoa is an amazing seed. It is essentially a grain. Quinoa is ground to flour to make bread and pasta. Quinoa pasta has the most protein than any other gluten-free pasta products in the market. Research has shown that by eating quinoa, it reduces your blood sugar, triglycerides, and insulin resistance. Next time when you go to the grocery store, when you pick up the quinoa pasta, make sure to read the label in the back. Make sure that you are getting the real deal. Look at the ingredients. And the only ingredients it needs to have is quinoa, not rice, corn with a little bit of quinoa. So read the label before you purchase the product. Number 2, chickpea pasta. Chickpea pasta is made of chickpeas and pea protein. It has a lot of protein and fiber, and it also contains iron and calcium. The pasta is just perfect the way it's made, but it's still, when you taste it, still tastes like chickpeas in it more than pasta. So be mindful of what type of sauce you're going to flavor the pasta with. And it is a good alternative option for the refined pasta. Number 3, lentil pasta. Lentil pasta also comes with loaded health benefits. It has a lot of protein and fiber in it, along with it, iron, calcium, and vitamin B12. So as you're eating these different pastas, make sure how you eat it and the portions. The portion control is a big piece, and how you're going to cook this pasta and how you're going to top it off with. Make sure you're topping it off with healthy toppings like vegetables and low-fat proteins. If you top it off with lots of creamy sauces, you're just defeating the purpose. You can use these alternative pastas to satisfy your pasta hunger and stay healthy, lose weight, and gain all the protein and fiber so that your hunger is under check. Download my Eat This, Not That tip sheet so that you can choose healthy options, make small changes, stay healthy and energetic. The link to the download is in the description box below. I am your holistic coach. Until next time, choose the right option.